John, are you ready? MACH is next week.
Lyndsey, we are so ready. Yes. We're so excited for MACH.
Oh yes, and on Tuesday we're going to be on the Hoffman Group stand in the afternoon producing a live stream. So what is it that our viewers are going to see?
They're going to see our complete product range. They're going to learn about GSP as well.
Right, GSP, what's that?
Guaranteed savings plan. We will guarantee to save our customers money. We're that confident, we'll underwrite it.
And you've got some real strong case studies on this where you've saved people so much money, but not just money, but time.
Time and money, we reduce costs, we increase productivity. It's what we do.
Absolutely. So we're going to be live on the Hoffman Group stand on Tuesday afternoon. And of course, if you can come to MACH and visit the show, then make sure you're joining John and the team. I cannot wait. Have you got some comfy shoes, John?
I've got some very comfy shoes, but more importantly, have all the visitors, because You're going to see cutting tools, you're going to see metrology and clamping, you're going to see work holding, you're going to see hand tools, you're going to see PPE, you're going to see lots of things.
You're in for a great one.